Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your password in Steam. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. You can hover your mouse on top of it and it's going to show your manage accounts. Once you click on it, you can see the second option called account details. Click on account details. Now once you're inside the account details page, make sure you're in the account details section. Once you're in the account details section, scroll a bit down and you can see this option called change my password. It's going to be under the account security section. Click on change my password and wait for some time. It's going to take you to your password changing place. Now over here what you want to do is click on email account verification. Now at first it's going to ask you for a verification code, and a verification code is going to be sent to your email. Now if you used your mobile number when you created your Steam account, it's going to send it to your mobile number, but I used my email, so the verification code is sent to my email. So I have checked my email and I'm going to enter my verification code. And remember, your verification code is going to be different than mine. After you enter that, click on continue. And once you click on continue, on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter your new password. So over here, just enter the new password of your account over here. And after you enter the new password, enter it again to confirm it. And click on change password. Do that, your Steam's password will be changed. So that's how we guys can change Steam password. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.